Hi, it's me. I'm going to open up this Cricut Mystery Box that I got last month, and it's the Brights pack. So first inside we have premium vinyl true brushed. Then we have right here, it's holographic iron-on thorough coat transfer something something. And then we have everyday iron-on in neon colors, which actually would have come in handy about a month ago for my kids' neon day, but you know what, I'll save it. And then we have this guy right here, which is the whole reason why I bought this, because you can't buy it by itself. It's a Cricut Cutie. Hello, little cutie. I'm so glad I bought this box, and so I'm going to put him right there. Next inside we have pens and more reading tools, because you know I love vinyl. So here are the bright pens which I could use on my cards, and then I have more reading tools. And it's funny because I actually bought this about a month ago, so I'm going to save that for another day. And then under this guy we have cardstock. I love paper so much. So I don't know what weight that is, but we'll open that up in a little bit. But first, let's look at what this guy is on the bottom, and it is really pretty glitter cardstock. I'm going to open this up a little bit later and show you what it feels like. It doesn't really say the weight or much on the packaging, so I'm going to open that up after I open up this last guy. Excuse me, this last guy right here. So this is Cricut Infusible Ink, and it's something that I've been wanting to try, but I never knew what colors I should buy. So I'm really glad that this came in the mystery box. My husband has gotten into sublimation lately, so it's something that I hear is comparable to it, or it is sublimation, really. So here it is. When you open it up, it feels a lot like really thick paper, except for this stuff, you press it and then the ink transfers onto your blank or your shirt, whatever it is. So the thing with sublimation is your blank has to be of a high polyester count, otherwise the ink will wash out. So this is really pretty. So don't know what I'm going to make with this yet, but I'll probably try and make something cool with it because it's nice. It's nice. And inside it comes with some paper, which I believe is to protect your mat and to protect your machine, your ironing machine. Now we're going to take a closer look at each one of these products. First, we're going to look at this premium true brushed vinyl. I've never purchased it before, but the colors are super pretty and it has a really nice texture to it. I feel like if you add this to cards or maybe cups, I don't know if you can, I have to look closer, but it gives it a really nice texture. So I might use that on my cards. And we all know I love iron-on, and this is holographic iron-on, which is something I don't have. I have foil iron-on, but I don't have this. So, ooh, I'm excited to use that. Maybe I'll make a shirt. And this is the everyday iron-on in neon colors, which is really cute. I think my kids will love that. And lastly, here's the pens and reading tools and the Cricut Cutie. So let's put you there. Now I'm going to open up this package of paper. There's no weight listed on the packaging, so I don't know how thick or thin this is. So here it is. It has a really nice texture to it, and it feels like 65-pound weighted cardstock. I don't know if that's what it is, but it feels like it. So it has a bunch of really pretty pastel-y colors. There's that pink, I think that's a light gray, a beautiful magenta, a really nice shade of blue, and this color that I'm going to call mustard, and then a nice navy blue. They're all really pretty colors. And then here we have glitter cardstock, which I'm excited about because the only other glitter cardstock I've ever used is from Michaels. I forgot what the collection was, and it tends to shed, and it also tends to get stuck to my Cricut mat. So I'm excited about this to see how it feels. Naturally, glitter cardstock feels a little bit thicker, and it's nice to know that this one doesn't seem to be shedding right now. So I'm excited to take this and put it on my mat and see if it gets stuck to it, because I've had that issue in the past. So there's a really pretty purple, a nice bright yellow, a blue greeny color, pink, and a nice blue. So those are all the products that came in this mystery box, and after opening up this first box, I might consider buying more because it gives me an opportunity to try products I wouldn't normally buy for myself. So you have to be willing to accept what they give you and be willing to try new things. Also, more importantly, you get a Cricut Cutie every time you buy it. And you can't buy it anywhere else. So if you like this video, you like unboxings, just comment below and let me know. Take care. Bye.